What's up, everybody? This is Ron from Ron's Immaculate Detailing Service out of Rocky Mount, North Carolina. And it's one thing I want to talk about today about dilution ratios. Now, for the people that already do detailing or do a lot of mixing in their job or whatever the case may be, they already know about dilution ratios. So um, I can't say I'm talking to them, but for the ones that is kind of hard to grasp the concept. Cause I'm a pretty smart guy. I went through school by the skin of just I never studied or anything. I just if I didn't get the shit, if I didn't get it while I was there, pretty much I wasn't going to get it at all. So I never saw the value of doing homework or anything. But that's beside the point. With dilution ratios, it's kind of convoluted because the videos I've seen on YouTube, um, they never show you uh, exactly, break down all the steps on how to dilute it. It's kind of very vague information. So, okay, say, uh, like my, okay, this is how I do. Um, I make sure I keep track of my products. Okay, I write it on the rim of the bottle simply because when I look into my chemical bucket, I'm looking from top down, so it's a lot easier for me to see it looking top down with the labels on the top. Now, this is super clean and it's blended for my wheels and tires. That's the strength of it. It's 3-to-1. So, excuse me. So, this particular bottle got it from AutoZone, and to be honest, I forgot how much I paid for, maybe $4. But to be honest, this is probably the best spray bottle I've gotten or I have, because as far as the volume of spray that comes out of it and um, the reliability of it, it's a great bottle. And I have it diluted 3-to-1. Now, luckily, this bottle has the dilution ratios in it, so as you can see, it has 4-to-1. So that 4-to-1 line, you would fill up the product up to that line, and then the rest with water. 3-to-1, 1-to-1, which would be half the bottle of material or product, and the other half of water. But say you don't have the dilution ratios laid out for you. This is a 32-ounce bottle, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, 32 ounces. Okay. Now, my dilution ratio for this bottle would be 3-to-1. Okay? So, all you have to do, go back to my drawing board. 3-to-1 dilution ratio. Okay. Now, all you would have to do is add these two together, which would give you 4. Okay? Then you would take 32 and divide it by 4. And that will get you 8. Okay? Now these are ounces. It's 32-ounce bottle. So go ahead and write that so I don't confuse anyone. Okay, these are ounces. So you add 3 and 1 together, you get 4, which that would be 4 ounces or 4 parts. Okay? And then you take the overall size or capacity of the bottle, which is 32 ounces. Then you divide it by 4, which is the results you get from adding these together, and you get 8 ounces. Okay? So that will be 8 ounces of product in that bottle A 32-ounce bottle, 8 ounces of product would be a 3-to-1 dilution ratio. So I go to my bottle. Oh, sorry. So I go to my bottle and I look at my ounces. And as you can see, there's 8 right there. 8 ounces. And it's scratched out, but that is right exactly at 3-to-1. It's very simple once you understand that concept. So that is exactly how much super clean I would pour in there before I fill the rest up with. And personally, you can use anything, but I feel like you have more lubricity and more cleaning power with distilled water, because it doesn't have those minerals in it or whatever. But you don't have to complicate it, because water is water when it comes to mixing it with a cleaning agent. But that's just me. But in a pinch, I don't care to use faucet water or anything. But that is just that simple. Okay. Now another clear indicator, 1-to-1, would be 1 part of material and one part soap and 1 part water. Okay, so you add that together, that's 2. All right. Now you take that 32-ounce bottle and divide it by 2. What do you get? You get half of 32, which is 16. And look at that right there. It's exactly half the bottle. It's a very simple concept once you understand. And like these bottles right here, I got these off Amazon. It was like a 4-pack, a 3-pack or a 4-pack. But okay, this doesn't have the dilution ratios up here. So I probably would have used this as a better example. But okay, these are 24-ounce bottles. Okay, now. Let me get one that's okay. Since these are 24-ounce bottles, I have my super clean for which is mixed for interior. It's interior strength, so it's not. It's still cleans, but it's not as aggressive as the other mixture. But anyways, okay. I take this. This is 24 ounces, 10-to-1 dilution ratio. Let's go to the notepad. Okay. 10-to-1 dilution ratio. Okay. Now, 10 plus 1 is 11. Okay. Now, I take my 24 ounces and divide it by 11. 11 will only go into 24 2 times. Okay? So, this is where you don't need exact math. It's not really that complicated. Okay? You know that 11 only goes into 24 2 times. So, of course, you need at least 2 ounces. Okay? Now, with those leftover parts, you can just round it off. Okay? So, I go to my bottle, and it doesn't even have 2 marked. So, as you can see, I've already put it, 2 would be maybe right here. And I already put a line to where, I guesstimate it where that extra amount would be. It's not that complicated. All your ounces right here. It goes in there 2 times with a little left over. I find 2 ounces on my bottle here and add a little more to it. And it's just that simple. I hope I helped somebody today with their dilution ratios. Me, myself, I'm just topping off all my products, doing a little inventory, making sure everything is everything, and making sure ain't none of my products leaking out the bottles or anything like that. But I just want to help somebody out for needing help with dilution ratios because the videos I saw on YouTube they weren't that clear. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm out.